NoSQL databases are great. Many of them were designed to solve the scalability problem that we had at the time with SQL-like databases. And they succeeded. Many NoSQL databases are designed for horizontal scalability on commodity hardware. A fancy way of saying a lot of cheap computers. In order to achieve this, they had to sacrifice something, and that something was features. So, is there a way to get the benefits of NoSQL scalability without losing features? The answer is with a polyglot architecture. Imagine we want to design a chat application. It has a high throughput of reads and writes. We decide to use a wide column database like Amazon DynamoDB. We design the application, put it in production, and everything is running smoothly. Until one day, when a new feature request comes in and says, add text search. You know DynamoDB is not designed for search. You could try to hack a solution, or we could introduce another database designed for that. We could introduce an Elasticsearch database. And so, our polyglot architecture is born. Nowadays, these are the kind of architectures you will find out there, especially when it comes to hyperscale. Maybe sprinkle a bit of a key value database like Redis for caching, a column database like Amazon Redshift for analytics, and the list goes on and on. And you will be saying, if it is so good, why isn't everyone doing it? Why are SQL-like databases the most used in the market still? The answer is complexity. First of all, if you are used to modeling data for relational databases, it will feel really strange when trying to model for a database like DynamoDB. You can have everything in one table, use denormalization a lot, it's different. Meaning it's a new skill that needs to be learned. On the other hand, now you have multiple databases, so who is the source of truth? How do you sync those databases? What about consistency? Where do you read and write data now? What I'm saying is that polyglot architectures are great and have their place in their world, but be aware of the increased complexity and also consider the expertise of your team when going this route. A well-executed polyglot architecture can be amazing, or the source of all your nightmares. Discover polyglot database architectures in action with real-life examples in our latest blog post. You can find the link in the comments below.